Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Some of you might know me as Foodloverasian. You can also follow me on my Instagram under the same name, Foodloverasian. So, like they said, when life gives you lemons, what you gonna do? Well, I'm baking this lemon pound cake. So lemony, so easy and simple recipe. And I hope you watch this video until the end. And if you get a chance, please make this cake too with this recipe and leave the comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel. Also, give me a big thumbs up down here. Well, guys, let's baking, okay? Let's go. Okay guys, the moment of truth. The cake is so warm and smells so lemony good. You know, it is so dense. The outside layer of the cake is so crispy, but the inside though, it's so warm and soft. Crumbly and full of lemon all over my mouth. Oh, I love this cake so much. I can eat the whole thing right now. Okay guys, lemon pound cake is done. What do you think? Easy, right? Yes. I always make anything super easy and simple, so if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, so if you get a chance, please make the recipe and let me know and leave the comment down below. So if you have not, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, and also if you can, please share this video with your friends and family. Until the next recipe, thank you again for watching. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye!